Hello and welcome to Buell School. It was August 16th, 2022, when an off-duty Decatur police officer named Jack Brown found himself in the fight of his life. Jack Brown was at home with his family when he noticed a black Jeep parked behind his police cruiser. Brown placed a call to police dispatch and walked down his driveway to ask the driver if they needed any assistance. Just so you know, it's recommended to call the police if you observe anything suspicious instead of confronting the situation. Escalation is unpredictable, and there is no harm done if the situation turns out to be nothing. The driver, later identified as Gregory Martin Hill, began swearing at Brown and started backing into the street, where he hit a parked car and a mailbox. I'll let the ring camera footage do the rest of the talking. Check it out. Brown fired 8 shots in total, none of which struck Hill. The Jeep then backed up and ran over Brown's legs. Hill stopped the vehicle and got out. Despite having just been hit, Brown managed to stand up, point his gun at Hill, and once again command him to show his hands. Brown and another man who witnessed the incident tackled Hill and pinned him to the ground, where they were able to subdue him until uniformed officers arrived and placed Hill under arrest.
And, well, a Decatur police officer is, quote, walking and doing well, unquote, after being struck by a fleeing suspect's car last night. 54-year-old Gregory Hill struck the officer with his vehicle after the officer attempted to make contact with him. The officer was then transported to Huntsville Hospital and released overnight. Hill is charged with second-degree assault.
But thanks to Brown's bravery and the hard work of law enforcement, Hill was finally behind bars, where he belonged. He was initially charged with second-degree assault for his alleged actions and was held on a $50,000 cash bond. The charges were upgraded from second-degree assault to attempted murder, which meant that Hill's bond was set at $1 million cash, and Hill would remain in the Morgan County Jail in lieu of bond. The events of that day would forever be etched in Officer Brown's mind. Thanks for watching. Peace.